Charlotte. You have any stories? Hi. 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 Yeah. What else? Yeah? What else? Did you have a good walk today? Did we go on a good walk today? We did. You liked the walk, didn't you? I know. What else? And then we saw Sister, right? She came home. Aunt Betty brought her home with Emma and Ella. Yeah. What else? We had a good bath today. It was a good bath day? Yeah, it was a good bath day. I know. Yeah. What else do you want to tell us about? You miss Daddy? Daddy will be home soon? Yeah, he'll be home in a little bit over an hour. He'll be home from work. You like to go on walks with Daddy and the Bjorn, don't you?
In an hour and 10 minutes.
In an hour and 10 minutes, Daddy will be home. Yeah. You can call him. I don't know if he's going to be able to answer.
Then I'll just
Yeah, you can leave a message.